guys. Yeah, guys. We're still at the old Port of Montreal.
Oh yeah?
They'll be like, oh, it's on top. So.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
My card's on.
Perfect.
Guys are enjoying themselves on the bike. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have a look from the side. Let's have a look. The Viking style. Oh yes, it's huge. Right. Sparks your lip. Boat there. Spar boat there. Well. That's nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, we've actually come to the end of the site. We reached the Great Lakes. Some good buildings here. That's beautiful. Oh. We're gonna make a turn here. Then walk back. Taking the view. Oh.
Jamais entendu Europe pour des présentations techniques.
Still the airport. If you're just joining us, family, we are at the old Port of Montreal. It's part of the series of sights and sounds of Montreal. We don't have a lot of, there aren't many people here today, but it's understandable. Many people have gone back now after spending their time here in Montreal. Yeah. Actually, today is the today is the 15th of September. So, hey bro.
Yeah, bro.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Hey. Ghana?
No, Ghana.
Niger?
No, so far. Come from France.
Cameroon? Okay. Cameroon.
No, Cameroon. Ivory Coast, better.
Ivory Coast?
Yes, I'm French, but...
Oh, yeah.
And you?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria?
Yes.
Okay.
Bro. Yeah. What's your name?
Stephen.
Stephen.
Yeah, and you?
Yeah, my name is Anthony.
Anthony. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
But I'm shooting video on YouTube.
Ah, okay.
It's called
okay.
I am Bantu.
Okay.
I am _ Bantu.
Ah, okay.
That's the channel, so you're going to
Okay.
see yourself there.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can say hi to our people.
Hi, guys.
Say hi to our people in Africa.
No, I don't.
No, don't be shy. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He's nice.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure seeing you.
Okay, it's a pleasure to see you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you, bro.
thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Yeah. That's a brother there. Oh man. Yes. We're all over. Oh yes. Yeah.
Moi, je pense que la distance idéale,
Oh, Ivory Coast, okay.
c'est pas plus que 30
Gotta. It's interesting to meet friends outside. Okay. 7. All right. Okay, I hope our camera is not warming up. Let's bear with me. Let's have a check.